All right, so get ready because today we are going to dive into the world of supplements.
Ooh, supplements.
Yeah, and you might think that they are just for athletes,
Mm,
or people with dietary restrictions, but really supplements can play a vital role in anyone's health journey.
right.
So you've actually given us a couple of articles, one that explores how supplements fit into like a holistic health approach, and another one that just breaks down those 13 essential vitamins that we always hear about.
Right.
So today we're going to uncover why supplements might be more relevant to you than you think, even if you think you have a pretty good diet already.
Yeah, and it's interesting how many people think that supplements are just like a quick fix
Oh, yeah.
or a replacement for a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah?
It's not about swapping your veggies for a pill.
Yeah.
It's more about fine-tuning your health
Okay.
using a personalized approach.
I like that. Okay, so the holistic health article that you gave me really emphasizes that food is the foundation.
Right.
So then, how do supplements actually fit into that picture?
Well, think of it this way. Even with a solid foundation, you still need specific tools and materials to build a strong house.
Okay.
So supplements can help address very individual needs that even a good diet might not fully cover.
So they're like the extra support beams.
Yes,
Gotcha. Okay, so what you're saying is supplements can act as like those specialized tools.
exactly.
Why would someone who seemingly eats healthily still need them?
Well, one factor is genetics.
Okay.
We all have unique genetic predispositions that influence how our bodies process nutrients.
Right.
So, for example, you might have a gene variant that affects your vitamin D absorption,
Uh-huh.
meaning you would need more of it than someone with a different variant.
Okay.
It's like having a personalized blueprint that tells you which nutrients your body needs a little extra help with.
So it's not just about eating your greens. It's about eating the right greens for your specific genetic makeup.
Exactly.
Wow.
And this is where personalized nutrition comes into play. Imagine getting a DNA test that reveals you have a genetic predisposition for iron deficiency.
Oh, yeah.
Armed with that knowledge, you can adjust your diet and consider iron supplements to ensure that your body gets what it needs.
So it's like getting a sneak peek into your body's owner's manual.
Yes.
That's so cool.
Mhm.
Are there any other reasons besides genetics that someone might benefit from supplements?
Absolutely. Your lifestyle plays a huge role.
Okay.
Are you a high-intensity athlete pushing your body to its limits?
Yeah.
You'll have different nutritional needs than someone who's more sedentary.
Right.
That intense physical activity can create oxidative stress,
Uh-huh.
which depletes important nutrients, so supplements can help replenish those and support your body's recovery.
It's like giving your body an extra boost when it's working extra hard.
Precisely. And let's not forget about age. As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing certain nutrients.
Right.
This is where supplements can become even more crucial in maintaining optimal health.
That makes total sense. But let's be honest, isn't it better to just get all our nutrients from food?
Ideally, yes. But the reality is that the nutrient content of our food today isn't what it used to be.
Wait, really? What's changed?
Well, think about soil depletion. Modern farming practices often strip the soil of essential nutrients.
Oh, wow.
That means that the fruits and vegetables that we eat today might not be as nutrient-packed as they were a few generations ago.
That's kind of alarming. So even if I'm eating plenty of fruits and veggies, I might still be missing out on key nutrients.
It's a possibility.
Okay.
And that's not all. Processing and cooking methods can also impact the nutrient content of food.
Okay.
For example, vitamin C is easily destroyed by heat.
Oh, right.
So a freshly squeezed orange juice will have more vitamin C than a glass of store-bought pasteurized juice.
That makes sense. I'm starting to realize that getting all the nutrients we need from food alone is trickier than I thought.
It is.
So supplements can help bridge that gap.
Exactly. And it's not just about filling in those nutritional gaps from modern food. We're also discovering the incredible benefits of plant extracts that you might not get enough of in your regular diet.
Okay, you've piqued my curiosity.
Yes.
Tell me more about these plant extracts.
Well, think of things like ashwagandha, which has been shown to help manage stress,
Okay.
or curcumin, found in turmeric, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties.
Uh-huh.
These are compounds that can really take your well-being to the next level.
It's like nature's secret weapon stash.
It is.
So supplements aren't just about vitamins and minerals. They're about exploring this whole world of plant-based powerhouses.
You got it. And there's still so much we're learning about these amazing compounds.
Yeah.
But let's not forget about those essential vitamins.
Okay.
The article from Medical News Today does a great job of breaking down the 13 essential ones that our bodies need.
Right. Those are like the foundation of our nutritional house.
Yes.
So let's dive into a few that are especially relevant for overall health and well-being. We hear a lot about vitamin D these days. It's crucial for strong bones, but I hear a lot of people are deficient.
That's true. And what's fascinating is that the best way to get vitamin D isn't necessarily through food, it's through sunlight.
Really?
Our bodies actually synthesize vitamin D when exposed to the sun's rays.
So soaking up those rays is good for more than just a tan.
Exactly.
What if you live in a place where sunshine is scarce or you can't get enough of it? Are there good food sources?
Absolutely. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are excellent sources of vitamin D.
Oh, yeah.
And you might be surprised to learn that some mushrooms also contain vitamin D.
Mushrooms soaking up the sun. I
Ah,
have to picture that. Okay, on to another superstar, vitamin C. It's known as a powerful antioxidant, but I've heard it's quite fragile.
you're right. Vitamin C is easily destroyed by cooking, which is why getting it from fresh fruits and veggies is so important.
Okay.
Think citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, nature's candy.
Suddenly, I'm craving a fruit salad.
Yeah.
Finally, let's talk about vitamin B12. The Medical News Today article stressed its importance for the nervous system.
It's vital for healthy nerve function, something that vegans need to be especially mindful of, since B12 is primarily found in animal products.
So if you're following a plant-based diet, getting enough B12 through fortified foods or supplements is key.
Exactly. And it's not just about avoiding deficiency, too. Optimal B12 levels can contribute to energy levels and cognitive function as well.
Wow. So these vitamins aren't just about preventing disease. They're about optimizing our overall well-being.
Absolutely.
This is just the tip of the iceberg, though, right? There's so much more to uncover about this fascinating world of supplements.
Absolutely. We've only just begun to scratch the surface.
Okay, are you ready to dive deeper into the nuances of nutrient interactions and how to navigate the sometimes overwhelming world of supplement choices?
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay, so we've established that supplements can be like specialized tools for our health, but the Holistic Health article mentioned something about a synergistic approach.
Right.
What does that even mean?
So it means understanding that nutrients don't work in isolation. They interact with each other kind of like a team.
Uh-huh.
Some nutrients enhance each other's effects, while others might inhibit absorption.
So it's not just about taking a bunch of different supplements. It's about choosing the right combinations.
Exactly.
Like certain nutrients are better teammates than others?
Exactly. For instance, vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium.
Oh.
So taking both together can lead to stronger bones than taking either one alone. That's synergy in action.
Interesting. So how do we figure out which nutrients make the best teams? Seems like it get pretty complicated.
It definitely can, and that's why working with a knowledgeable healthcare professional can be so valuable.
Right.
They can help you identify potential nutrient deficiencies and recommend tailored combinations that work synergistically for your specific needs.
Makes sense. It's like having a personal trainer for your nutrition guiding you toward the right combinations for optimal results.
Yeah.
But now I'm wondering, we've been talking about all the benefits of supplements, but are there any risks?
That's a really important question. And it highlights the importance of informed decision-making.
Right.
While supplements can be beneficial, it's crucial to remember that they are biologically active substances.
Right.
Taking too much of certain vitamins or minerals can have adverse effects.
So it's not a case of more is always better.
Definitely not.
Like I can't just megadose myself with vitamin C and expect to become invincible.
Some vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning your body stores them.
All right.
Taking excessive amounts can lead to a buildup in your system and potentially cause toxicity.
Okay, that makes sense. So moderation is key. But what about potential interactions with medications? That's something I worry about.
That's another critical consideration. Some supplements can interact with certain medications,
Okay.
either enhancing or diminishing their effects.
Yeah.
For example, some herbal supplements can interfere with blood thinners.
That sounds potentially dangerous.
It can be.
So it's really important to be upfront with your doctor about any supplements you're taking, even herbal remedies, those natural ones.
Absolutely. Transparency with your healthcare provider is essential. They can help you navigate the complex world of supplements safely and effectively.
All right, I'm starting to see that this is more complicated than just grabbing a bottle of whatever off the shelf. Speaking of which, how do we even know which supplements are good quality? There were so many brands and options out there, it's overwhelming.
You're absolutely right. The supplement market can be a bit of a wild west.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, not all products are created equal.
Right.
Some might not even contain what they claim to.
Oh, wow.
Or the ingredients might not be in the right forms for your body to absorb.
Yikes. So how do we separate the snake oil from the real deal? Are there any telltale signs to look out for?
Thankfully, there are. One thing to look for is third-party testing.
Yeah.
Reputable brands will have their products tested for purity and potency by independent organizations like USP/NSF or Consumer Lab.
So it's like a seal of approval assuring you that what's on the label is actually in the bottle.
Exactly. These organizations provide certifications that indicate the product meets certain quality standards.
Okay.
It's a good sign that the company is committed to transparency and producing a high-quality product.
Okay, so third-party testing is a big one. What else should we watch out for?
Be wary of products that make extravagant claims or promise miracle cures. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Like those lose 30 pounds in a week ads.
Hmm.
Yeah, those always set off alarm bells for me.
So, a healthy dose of skepticism is a good thing when navigating the supplement aisle.
Absolutely. Supplements can be a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle,
Right.
but they're not a magic bullet.
Okay.
Remember, it's all about informed decision-making, doing your research and consulting with your healthcare provider to make choices that are right for you.
This is really eye-opening. I'm starting to think about supplements in a whole new light.
Yeah.
It's less about popping pills and more about understanding how they can work in harmony with our bodies and lifestyles. Ready to wrap up with some key takeaways and maybe a thought-provoking question to leave our listeners with?
Let's do it. Okay, so we covered a lot of ground in this deep dive.
We did.
It seems like supplements are more than just a quick fix. They're a way to take a proactive and personalized approach to our health.
What's fascinating to me is how our understanding of nutrition is evolving. We're
Mhm.
moving beyond generic advice and embracing the fact that our bodies have unique needs.
Right. It's not one size fits all. Our
Yeah.
genes, our lifestyles, even the quality of our food all play a role in determining what our bodies need to thrive.
Right.
And supplements can be a powerful tool to fill those nutritional gaps and support our individual health goals.
Exactly. But we also learned that it's crucial to approach supplements with a discerning eye.
Right.
Understanding the science, the potential risks, and the importance of informed decision-making is key. We can't just assume that more is always better.
It's like having a toolbox full of powerful tools, but you need to know how to use them safely and effectively. Blindly grabbing whatever seems shiny could do more harm than good.
That's a great point, and that's where having a knowledgeable healthcare professional on your team can make a world of difference.
Right.
They can help you assess your individual needs, identify potential deficiencies, and guide you towards safe and effective supplement choices.
This deep dive has really shifted my perspective. Supplements aren't just for athletes or people with deficiencies. They can be a valuable part of a holistic approach to health and well-being for everyone.
You know, that holistic health article mentioned something that really stuck with me. It said that less than 1% of plant biodiversity has been explored for its potential health benefits.
Wow,
Imagine the possibilities that are still out there.
that's incredible.
Mm.
We've only just scratched the surface of what nature has to offer, what hidden gems might be waiting to be discovered, what powerful plant extracts could revolutionize our approach to health and wellness in the future.
It's an exciting thought, isn't it? And it highlights the importance of continued research and exploration in this field. We still have so much to learn about the intricate connections between plants, nutrients, and human health.
Absolutely. This deep dive has been a real eye-opener for me and for anyone listening who's considering incorporating supplements into their health routine. Remember, do your research, talk to your doctor, and make informed choices that align with your individual needs and goals.
It's about finding what works for your body and your health journey.
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of supplements. We hope this deep dive has empowered you to take a more proactive and informed approach to your well-being.
Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.